Let us think this position is for black can win. To you must find the best move for black. So let's start how to win this position for black. I can easily make a knight move to check, but bishop is attacking my queen. I need to move that queen. When I move this position, he have only chance to move there. When they move there, I can easily capture unsupported bishop. This position, white easily can capture this rook. You can think about what is the best move for black and white. You can see last move for black played this rook here because he have a 7th rank opposition. This is powerful, but when they make this move he have a bad decision. So let's see how to find the best move for white. You can see I have a clear fork here, but I cannot make a fork because king here. First of all, I want to make a king to move here, so I played this queen. You have only chance to move there because when they played here I can easily cap checkmate. So when and they played here I can easily fork with my knight. This position is black easily to capture this queen. Please pause this video then think about, because I can easily capture this queen by queen, because this knight is protecting this queen. I can capture directly. So when this position I can easily eliminate that knight. When they played that knight, the queen support is disabled, so I can easily capture that queen because any piece is not supporting that queen.